Hello there, in this video I want to show you how to remove passcode on your Apple Watch Ultra 2. Let's get started. And firstly, let's just unlock the watch by entering the current passcode, and now I'm gonna show you how to remove it. For that we will need to open settings, and here use this digital crown and just rotate it like that to see the passcode tab. Here it is, and now we have two options. We can change the current passcode and we can turn it off. So I'm gonna select the first one, and now just enter your current passcode and wait a couple of seconds till it will be loading. And now we just disable the passcode. So when you lock your watch and try to unlock it, you won't need to enter the passcode once more. If you want to enable it again, just use this option and here enter your new passcode. And that's it for today. I hope this video helped and thank you for watching.